Okay, I am going to show you how you can build a code list for free and then warming them up for free. And these are your target market. So one way to do it is to find people that are already advertising in your space, like these guys. Notice it says sponsored at the top. We enrolled 140 customers and 3 builders in just 14 days. Like, this is amazing, right? What they did. And essentially what they did was run ads. So, because look at, they're running ads and they have my target market. So, you know what? You guys can go run ads. I'm not interested in running ads, but I'm going to borrow your audience. So I'm going to come here to the love section and then I'm going to connect with folks, right? Notice the friends, I can add that, but here, go there, add friend. I'm going to scroll through real fast, see who else is here. Boom, kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. Don't. Yep. Okay. Right. So that's it. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. These guys are in the same space, looking for the same thing, and I have a solution for them as a marketer, right? So I can go through and just do the friend stuff really fast here. And then, oh my gosh, this is a lot. This is a great lead source. Yeah, so I call them my lead sources. Really, really, really cool. And that's a ton, right? Then once I get started with them, right? Then I just make sure that I hit up. All right, check this out. Okay. Like your photo, who's that? That's an old one. It's an old one. Let's see who this person is. Oh yeah, so this person I just sent a friend request to. And once they accept it, then I'm gonna put them into, oh yeah, they did accept, into the network marketing list. And kaboom. Now, there you go, right? Now this person is actually going to see my posts that specifically target network marketers like this. So here's an example. I did this for the network marketing people. Oh, posted on the timeline. Let's see what she said. Very cool. Let me know how I can. Let's be generic. I don't like this, but whatever. Super cheesy. That's gonna let me know how I can best serve you. Accepted. Here you go. Perfect. Come here. Go there. Come here. Go there. Go down. Down, down. Boom. Boom. Now here's the sequence, right? This is gonna be the key for the sequence. It's like, feel like, who is with me and like, and then I'm in shock. You want to like a few posts and stuff, right? So it's like, comment. What is the weather like? Wait, like, and then comment. It was 78 degrees here in Cali. But snow is just as cool, right? Like, comment, and then if they have a thing like that, then why do people love me but hate you? Knowing yourself is the first step to finding. Okay, good. Boom. So you go like, comment, stories, right? And now what's going to happen is they're going to see my stuff whenever I post it, because I just recently did that sequence. And now you build, right? So I just took that code audience and now I'm building warm audience while I give it massive, massive, massive value, blah, blah, blah. So actually, I'm going to come here. Now I'm going to comment here, and they're going to see this too. Okay. I tried to do a live and share my screen while I dialed, but couldn't figure it out until much later. So it's game on this Friday. Let's go. I tried to do a Facebook Live and share my screen while dialing. But I couldn't figure out the audio until much later. So it's game on this Friday. Boom. Now, they're going to see this, right? And it's going to be great. Okay. Boom. It's building the engine here. Yep, great. Done. Because they're on that list. Oh, yeah, see here. These are my outbound. Now these people are seeing the thing. But that's how you build a cold audience for free of extremely highly targeted people that you can then run your content sequence around. And now slowly build them up to warm them up and enroll them. Alrighty, peace out.